Right, welcome to online store, and in this video we are on how to build your website with Blogger, and we are on blogging tutorial. So we have treated the first aspect, we treated this other aspect, and today we are concentrating on how we can choose and customize our Blogger template. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, I will link the playlist in the description box below. So go to the playlist now, to the description now, and click on the playlist and take yourself back to our previous lesson. Let's get started. Now here we are on our blogger dashboard. The next thing is for us to go to our theme. Now if you just created the website, you have a custom theme, sorry, default theme. This is the default theme for the Blogger website. Let's view our blog. So this is our default theme. This is how it looks like. So now there is nothing, we have not posted anything on our Blogger website. That's why it's saying there's nothing here. So you can see cash $24. This is our website. So let's so now if you don't like that template, you can see there are other templates here listed here. So you can choose any of the template depending on the type of website you want to create. So you can choose any of these templates to customize them, but for the purpose of this video, let's check for one. The one I always like is on this other segment, so I can choose any one of these. So let me choose this one, for instance. Once you choose, now you click on apply. You can customize if you want to, but we don't want to customize it now. We'll do that later. So let's just click on apply. So the theme is applied successfully. So you can come up here, you can see this is how it is. So let's view our blog or refresh this page. So this is how it looks like. This is our home page, how it looks like. So if you post content here, you'll see how everything will be. So now let's do some settings. We need a favicon. This is we need a favicon and our logo. This is our logo, so we need this. Or if you like this as it is like this, you can leave it, but if you don't like it, you can create a logo and place it here, and we'll see as you can customize everything here and make it look nice. So let's move on, but first of all, let's just change this favicon. So to change favicon, you always come to settings, comes here to settings, and then look at here where it says favicon. So click on it. So you will be asked to upload a file from your PC. So if you have created a logo already, you can always go here. You can always click on choose file. But if you don't have a logo and you want to create a logo, it's very simple. You can come to Fiverr here, and then on the Fiverr dashboard platform, you can hire people to create a logo very cheap for you. Very cheap. So you can search for logo designs, and you will see people here that can create a logo for you. This one can create a logo at $20, $35, $50, 190. But if you don't have such a money, you can come to budget here, click on budget. So click on budget and then choose your own budget. So we'll click a custom budget here. Let's just type $5. Let's see if you can get someone that can create a logo for us at $5. So you can see there are people here that can create a logo for us here at $5. So this is it. So please use the link in the description box below so that you will get a discount. So use that link and create and come to Fiverr to hire someone here at just $5. $5 you'll be able to create a logo for yourself. So but I have a logo already in my PC that I want to use. So I will click on choose file, and this is my favicon. So and then click on save. So at times it takes like few hours before this will take effect. At times it takes effect immediately. So let's see. So we wait for some hours for everything to take effect. So let's continue. All right, so far for the favicon, which other aspects again do we need to set up now? Okay, like I said, if you want to change this, let me show you. If you want to change these other aspects, but for my own, I want to leave it this way. But if you want to change it, let me show you how to do that. So for you to do that, you will come to layout. All right. On the layout section, you click on the header section of your post and of your website, and then you can add your blog description. But we won't do that for now. We'll do that later. So this is the image. So you scroll and then click on upload image from computer and choose a file. So let's say we want to choose this one or any other logo you want to choose. You can do so and then click on OK. Let's see what will happen here. Right, look at it here. So it's already there. Then click on save. Then you come here and click save. So it's saved. So let's refresh this page and see what will happen. So you can see how it is. So this is not right. This is not okay. So you can the image size we use was not okay. So and also it depends on the template you are using. It's because of the image size that we use that made this to happen like this. So you know how you can create your own and make it, or you go to Fiverr, as I told you. If you are paying someone, tell the person to do it well for you. So let me show you on this particular website, on my soft gadget website, how the image should look like. Okay, so here on this other website, this is how the image should look like. It should be a rectangle image, so that it will match your header section. If it is a square image, it cannot work. As you can see, as you have seen what happened here, as you just see what happened here. So this cannot work because it's a square image. It shouldn't be a square image. It should be a rectangular image. All right, we are done with the logo icon. Now next we want to see how we can add pages to our website. So in our next tutorial, I will show you how you can add pages to your website, because I don't want this tutorial to be too long. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you found this video helpful, give me a like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.